Superstar 250. Oldie but a goodie. Alrighty, guys. We put some 2290s in this thing. Some new resistors. Cleaned it up just a little. Working pretty good. HD 2290s. The reason why I use 2290s, that's pretty much what these things are built for, the circuits. Alright. We'll look at our input tune. Worldwide, almost nothing. Output reflect. Worldwide. We'll go over here and we'll start on PP on the low side. 500 watt slug, we're in that middle scale, PP low. Worldwide, about buck 50. PP high, medium I mean. Worldwide, close to 200, about 175. PP high. Worldwide, rush, you won't do 200, worldwide, go down. Probably drive a little bit harder, might do a little more, but like I said, the HD 2290 might not be exactly perfect for the circuit, but it's the closest thing I got to fix the amplifier. 1000 watt PP. Worldwide, run. Just for curious, I'll punch it a little bit. Worldwide. If you drive about 50 with a good hot export radio, it'll do 250. Worldwide. So on high, we're gonna say 200. Worldwide, get on down. That's what I'm doing. Prepare a review, let you know she's ready to go. And there she is working. Oldie but goodie, Superstar 250. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis. Catch you later.